everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Deasia, but you can call me D, and this is day 4 of my Slaytober series. I'm uploading a different Halloween look every day of October. Today's look is Wednesday from the Addams family, of course. If you want to see how I achieved this look, please continue on watching. First, jumping right into this look, I'm going to go in to take my eyebrows away with my lash glue. I got this from the beauty supply store. So first I'm going to comb my eyebrows up, apply the lash glue, and then while the lash glue is still wet, I'm going to comb my eyebrows into place. Then I'm going to take my blow dryer on the coolest setting and blow dry my eyebrow just so it can dry quicker. Next, I'm taking my Makeup Revolution setting powder, and that's what I'm going to use to set my eyebrows. So for my foundation, I'm using my Smashbox foundation, the Studio Skin 24-Hour Wear in the shade medium dark. I'm going in with my You Can Be paint palette, and I'm going in with this black shade to create the straight eyebrow. I really think I did this eyebrow a little too thick because Wednesday has really thin eyebrows, so I think I'm going to switch my brushes to my small detail brush. This brush was not my friend yesterday, so we're going to see how she acts today. I just know my eyebrows is about to come out uneven. Okay, yeah, I like this better. And I have to redo this one, so I'll be right back. Jumping into the eyeshadow, I'm using my Huda Beauty Rose Gold Edition palette, and I'm going in with my favorite black eyeshadow color, which is Black Truffle. I definitely hit the pan. I'm just gonna pat this on my lid. So going into my BH Cosmetics Ultimate Neutrals palette, and I'm going in with this dark brown just to move this dark color up some. And then I'm going to smoothen it out with this. I think I want to do this brown right here. So I'm actually going back and forth, and I'm tapping it into this brown and this brown, and then I'm trying to like make it this softer transition up here. Okay. It's hard to blend up here because the glue is right here, so it's not giving me that blend that I want. Can you see what I'm talking about? So I don't know. I guess I can just pack it until it does. I'm gonna try to pack it in. Just kind of tickling that black. Okay, that's really the best it's gonna do. That part is not gonna get covered. But I did take away my eyebrows some, so I am gonna go back in with that black paint. So I'm going to use my Juvia's Place concealer in the shade 11, and this is what I'm going to conceal up under my eyes with. I'm going to do a really little bit. I really shouldn't be doing it because she don't be having all her face is one color, but I'm going to put a little right here. Just a little bit. And a little bit right here. So next I'm going to set my face with some, with my Juvia's Place setting powder. Is this Juvia's Place? Yeah, with my Juvia's Place setting powder in the shade Kalahari.
Somber's Lip Chalk. This product gives your lips that death-like pallor look.
Little outfit change. So I'm gonna outline my lips with my black eyeliner pencil from Wet n Wild. Going again and again with my Fenty Beauty Uninvited black lipstick to fill in the remaining of my lip. And I'm going empty. I'm going empty. Okay, so on top of that, I'm going to go in with some black eyeshadow. And I'm using that same black I used earlier from the Huda Beauty Rose Gold Edition palette. I'm gonna add a little bit of mascara. I don't want to do too much. I'm using Great Lash from Maybelline. I haven't used this in so long. I don't even know if there's any in here, honestly. So I really like this look. Quick and easy. Easy to do on the kids. Easy to do when you just don't want to buy a costume for a quick Halloween party. Quick and easy. Yeah, so if you like this look, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And turn your post notifications on so you won't miss my next posting. And also follow me on my social medias. All of the information is in the description, and I will see you guys next time.